Scar time. I used the AK last game, or the last time we played on here, and now it's time to try out the Scar. I'm actually not very comfortable running down left, or this little area here. The fuck was that? Ooh, barely managed to get him. Dang it. I didn't expect him to have that much cover from the objective, but I guess that's how it worked out. Machine gun using fucker. Jesus Christ, this is all people do in this game. You wanna be good in this game? Buy the machine gun, camp your ass off. God, it's no different from playing Call of Duty. People always give shit to Call of Duty for being a camper game. Huh? It's like, if you guys will believe the amount of camping that goes on in other games, you wouldn't call of Duty would be tame by those kinds of standards. Time to get out of there. Jesus. Ooh, I think I'm about to flank these guys. Got him! Got him, coach! My heat sensors ran out. Now I'm just running down this aisle here with, basically just YOLOing it, more or less.
Do not let them take that terminal, no matter what.
Just kind of holding an off angle here, hoping that, hoping they didn't see me. This turn off the cam will help, though. I didn't even get any kills. We should probably capture this. That'd be nice.
Skill sync transmit complete. Over. Cyberbrain skill downloaded. Time to
I'll just wait here until we capture this thing. Ah, bad aim. But that's okay, because every time I blame aim in this game, to me it's legit. Unless, of course, this game is kind of like where everyone has this problem. So if that's the case, then I can't really say much. But I'm pretty sure people don't. And yet they still suck.
that terminal is active. Secure it right now.
Jesus, that machine gun kills you with 2 bullets. What the fuck is up with that? Literally 2-bulleted. I kind of want to go in with friends here, but obviously I can't.
I've got a little surprise for you.
I'll just use my heat sensors now, because fuck it. If I had sprayed my pistol a little bit faster, maybe I would have gotten him. Go for a... Can pistols even one-shot headshot? Pistols are fucking terrible in this game. Like, it's laughable how bad pistols are in this game. Okay, that's my friend, I guess. Jesus, what am I shooting at? Pistols are laughably bad. Like, they're so bad that normally when headshots are like instant kills from primary weapons, I'm not even sure if pistols are one-shot kills to the head, like automatically. Like no matter what health you're at. Like, I don't even know if they can one shot. Took that terminal real fast. Real fucking fast. Good thing I decided to get out of there. Get out of dodge. Only an assist? Bruh. Why you gotta fucking kill steal like that, bruh? Oof. Like, bruh. Please. Whew, that tap fire though. All those years of combat arms training really pays off, huh? Just an assist. That's okay. Not even an assist, it's just a transfer kill. What the fuck? Oh, nice. Thermophic camo. Yo, fucking nano gel armor or whatever the fuck it is ain't gonna help you when you get a bullet through your dome. Wow, guy with a really good team here, huh? Literally, like top 4 people on our team are like all positive something. Oh. This tank. What the hell is this tank even doing? I don't even know. Yay. At least I got the points for destroying it. I still think it's kind of dumb how you can't use your cyber skill like until that red bar disappears. Like I don't really know why that red bar even exists. Ugh, that aim. There's someone over there, but I don't really know. Is he dead? Yeah, he's probably dead. Dubskis. One guy right there, except I just ran out of ammo. What the fuck? I ran out of ammo for at that exact moment? Cool, I guess. Cool beans.
Do not let them take that tunnel, no matter what.
We've got a decent chunk of our team inside the inside A. We could actually just take this and end the game right away. But you know, what are the chances of that when they're camping with fucking machine guns, right? Machine gun using losers, and you still can't go positive. Please, bitch, please. That's a friend. Ugh, that aim though. Randomest headshots ever. That's a thermophic barrier. Oh, you can actually destroy it. I thought after I was shooting, I was like, can you even destroy that fucking thing? Oh yeah, you can. Oh, nice thermophic camo. Ow. Of course, I wouldn't get killed by anything else other than the machine gun. Fucking dipshit. How's that machine gun working out for you, huh?
Can't outrun a bullet.
Feels good, man, using a scar. Feels real good. Let's see if I rank up off this. Oh yeah, I did, definitely. Yay. Let's see if I can go buy something though. Maybe like a new gun or something. Why did it give me a knife master accolade? I didn't get any kills with a knife. What the fuck? This game, man.